again and drink.
I'm gonna have a drink now.
Yeah, you can drink now.
Thank you. Look at my rights. So NATO dropped the bomb right here during the Kosovan War, and they still have it right here. I was told Serbia is one of the biggest distributors for raspberries. I can't pronounce the name. I have no idea how to pronounce the name. Really oily, but apparently it's really famous. There's a huge line down there. Good morning from a brothel theme place. I don't know what hotel this is, but it looks kind of weird. You've got soundproof doors made out of cushion. Red. Look at this. I don't know if I'm just exaggerating, but look at the lights there. But let's go back in. Let's go outside. Okay, interesting. Yep. This was like a last minute booking. What it is, I just hope there's no cameras. We've got some bleached out second-hand towels. But let's go downstairs. I need to take her around first before I even begin talking. Just look at the setup here. I'm sure you've seen this already. Look at the setup. So this is the Serbian lift. Some guy said to me sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and I feel like it's not working right now. Proper old. Let's go downstairs. I bet you guys have never ever seen a lift like this before. Okay, this one's working. Let's check it out. It should have been working before. Let's press number 2. Okay, none of it's working. Oh my days. Okay, let me come back out. Definitely a dodgy lift. Let's go. Okay. So this is the entrance. Proper, unusually creepy. We've got shattered glass. There's 36 degrees. During this week it's going to be 38. I need beach so I can jump in, get myself wet. But the good thing is they've got fountains here, so if you're sweating, have a little dip. Not a dip, but wash yourself. Look at my right. Look right behind me, look at my left. So NATO dropped the bomb right here during the Kosovan War in 1999. So recent. But look at the state of this. And they've got like a huge covering right here to kind of like mask what's going on. But you can still see it. I was walking past it and I was like, whoa, damn, look at the state of this. Let me turn the camera around. That is insane. Look at that. Let's zoom in. Oh. And they still have it right here. Why is it still here? That's the question. Are they going to reconstruct it? Are they going to change it? Or just leave it here as a memory? I don't know how these things work. Oh. Hey. Right, hungry. Belly's hungry. Time for breakfast. We're going this way. Waiting for the light to change. I'm hoping this is working right now. It says like it's got a lot of hiccups going on there. So I've just arrived at the oldest bakery in Belgrade. This is what it looks like right here. You can see it? I can't pronounce the name. I have no idea how to pronounce the name. Let's go to Nikapa or maybe something else. What I normally say is if there's a queue of local people waiting to get this bakery, it's definitely nice. Chop, 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 chop. That's a lot of cheese in there. So they say this is unhealthy, but it's really tasty. Don't know what to choose. Look at the line down there. This food must be tasty. That's mine. Right. I've decided what I'm having. I've decided.
Kind of hot dog.
Kind of hot dog, okay. You know your stuff. English?
Yes.
Vegetarian?
Stuffy, equally.
This? Down there? That looks like croissant. Down. More? Yep. 4. I got for 4. Is it cheese? Only cheese? Perfect. Good. Lovely. The cheese? No meat.
Only cheese,
Only
heavy
cheese.
cheese, sour cream, chicken, empty meat.
I'll go for cheese.
Only cheese.
Only cheese.
Here to go.
Here?
Here.
I have it here.
Okay.
Love it, yep. Perfect. I know it's proper oily. They give it to you. Look at that. She's slicing up my pastry. Okay. This is really famous. Yeah, thank you. Really busy. Perfect. Finished. That's it. And water. Water. Two? Yeah, 2. Perfect.
That's all.
That's all. I say thank you. I say thank you. Card?
Okay, got it.
Okay. Alright, so we're eating in. We've got to stand up. Well, let's try this. So this is the oily cheese pastry. That's what it looks like to me. So let's dig in. Really oily, but apparently it's really famous. There's a huge line down there. Let's down for it. Let's down it. As you can tell, they're quite limited on the language, so you've got to be really straightforward. Just say cheese or meat. That's it. If you have a long conversation with them, they're not going to understand. So let's make life easier. Those are the kind of pastries, yeah, you should have once in a while, not every day. If you're the kind of person that struggles to put on weight, then that bakery there's for you. I'm so curious why there's always Russian and Serbian flags together. They're everywhere. What's the reason? From what I've been seeing right now, I'm really enjoying this country at the moment. There's been a saying with a bunch of people saying, oh, why are you going to Serbia? Oh, they're traitors. Oh, they're the enemies of... But at the end of the day, they shouldn't be blaming the whole country. I mean, they should blame the person that was in charge, in power. You're looking at your phone. Gypsies everywhere, huh? Well, I can feel that 34 degrees going to 36 degrees. There's normally like a water fountain somewhere. Huh?
You come again and drink.
I'm gonna have a drink now.
Yeah, you can drink now. I'm not business lady. I'm sister of the boss here.
Sister of the boss. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's such a cool place.
And this goes all the way around. It goes around. Let's have a look.
Where are you from?
Me, I'm from London.
London?
Yeah.
What do you want to drink?
What would you recommend me? How do you say thank you?
Hvala.
Hvala. Everything that you saw behind me is the Bohemian neighborhood. One thing I would recommend you to do is to come at night time, as it's more lively and there's a lot of stuff to see. Because it's really hot, it's around 36 degrees. So there'll be bars, pubs, restaurants, people to socialize with and enjoy some good vibes. I mean, there's so much stuff to see when you're walking around. You can literally walk anywhere, left, right, or wherever. Other things are with these taxis, anything with the pink top, they've got an app to find, obviously to find these taxis. With these ones with the yellow sign, I was told, you got to be really careful with them as they're quite dodgy. They give you different prices. They put the meter up on speed to charge you extra. So just be really wary of that. So there's a strip down there and it comes from all the way this end, all the way down here. Left and right there should be cafes going on here. So right by the ice box, there's a huge shopping centre. I'm not sure about if it's being that huge, but I'm gonna go inside and check it out. So you got stuff to do in here. You got your Starbucks here with air conditioner. Oh, that's wow. Oh my god, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, perfect. Remember when I said, yeah, when you're going, when you're seeing these little mini alleyways, like the one behind me, let's go and check it out. That looks interesting. Let's check it out. So yeah, it's a calm environment, really clean. The girls around here are really pretty. Like 95% of them are like really well dressed. They really do take care of themselves. And the guys as well, they're really well dressed. Walking through here, you see all these designer shops. Zara, H&M. So I'm seeing Mr. Tesla all over the place. I'm assuming he's from this country. You've also got these fans sprinkling water. This is what I'm talking about. This is definitely a thumbs up. For all the people that love reading books, there's a huge library here. Or a bookshop, not library. I'm not a huge book lover, but if I need to read and I have to read, I'll get a book. Alright, we're at the underground now. Looks like an underground market. Selling shorts, clothes. A proper underground market here. Looks like another market. Let's check it out. Hello. Huh? Enjoy. Thank you, thank you. Mmm. I'm sure the tomatoes are sweet as well and tasty. I don't know where to start from. I was told Serbia is one of the biggest distributors for raspberries or blueberries. They export it to 75% of the world. There you go.
That looks really nice.
Today I tried to go as many places as I could. It was too hot and unfortunately I could do so much. So yeah, hope this video actually helped you guys. And now I'm off to get a rental car. So this one should be a lot more interesting as it should have a aircon in. Until next time guys, peace. Bye.